exercise 8.2. Let us see here. A milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes for 20,000 each. On one he made a gain of 5% and on the other a loss of 10%. Find his overall gain or loss. Here given here, find cost price for each. Okay, let us see solution. Selling price of buffalo is 20,000 rupees. Gain 5%. Selling price is equal to cost price into 1 plus gain by 100. By using this formula, we have to find out selling price. Okay. Next, cost price. Here given here, selling price of buffalo, that is the 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees. Okay, 20,000 rupees. Cost price we have to find out here. 1 plus gain, that is the 5% by 100. When you multiply here 100 into 1, 100 plus 5. Now 20,000 is equal to CP in the bracket 105 by 100. Now when you do the cross multiplication, you will get here CP is equal to 20,000 into 100 by 105. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 20s are 10. Now you multiply here 20,000 into 20, you will get here 4 lakh by 21. Okay, next, selling price of another buffalo. Another buffalo, that is 20,000 rupees is, and the loss given, that is the 10% loss. Loss, that is 10%. Now we know the formula. SP is equal to CP into 1 minus loss by 100. We know here selling price, that is the 20,000 rupees. CP 1 minus loss, that is the 10 by 100. Now 20,000 is equal to CP. When you multiply, you will get here 100 into 1, 100 minus 10. Here 90 by 100. Okay. Now when you do the cross multiplication, you will get here CP 20,000 into 100 by 90. 0 get cancelled. When you multiply here 20,000 into 10, you will 2 lakh by 9. Okay, next point. Total CP of 2 buffalo is equal to cost price. The total cost price of 2 buffalo. Here we have cost price. Here first one buffalo, that is 4 lakh by 21, and second one 2 lakh by 9. 4 lakh by 21 plus 2 lakh by 9. We have to take here LCM for 21 and 9. 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9. When you multiply here 7 3s are 21, 21 3s are, you will get in here 63. Now you cancel 21 3s are 21 3s are 63. Here 3 we have to multiply with 4 lakh plus 9 7s are 63, cancel 7 into 2 lakh. Okay. Now when you multiply here 12 lakh plus 7 2s are 14 lakh by 63. When you adding these two, we will be getting here 26 lakh by 63. Now total SP for you are given here 20,000 for each buffalo. 2 buffalo mean we have to multiply here 20,000 into 2. We will get here 40,000. Okay, that is the total selling price. 20,000 into 2 when you multiply, you will get here 40,000. The total selling price. Okay, we got here total selling price. Dear student, you answer here total selling price that is the 40,000 rupees. Okay, dear student, you answer here SP selling price is smaller than the cost price. Selling price is the smaller than cost price. Then this is the loss. So we have to find out here loss percentage. Let us see next step here. Here rupees 26 lakh by 63 is greater than 40,000. Okay, this is the cost price is greater than the selling price, so we have to find out here loss. Therefore, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. We know cost price, that is the 26 lakh by 63 minus selling price 40,000. When you multiply here 26 lakh, when you multiply here 63 into 4 za, 63 into 4 za. Now 25 lakh to 20,000. Now by 63. Now when you do the subtraction here, you will get it here. Now here 80,000 by 63 by 26 lakh by 63 into formula 100. Now when you writing 80,000 by 63 into 63 by 20 lakh into 100. Okay, here 40 get cancel, 63 cancel, 0 get cancel. When you multiply here 8 into 10 is 80 by 26. Now you clear 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 40s are 80 completely cancel, remaining 40 by 30. Now we have to put in the mixed fraction, so we have to divide. 13 into 3s are 39. When you do the subtraction, you will be getting your 1. Now we got here 3 whole 1 by 13%. This is the overall loss. Okay, dear friend, this is one of the lengthy question. You have to solve at least 2 or 3 times at your home. Without solving, you are not understanding these complete problems. Okay, you have to work on this problem. Okay, dear friend, next I am taking the question number 8 in exercise 8.2. Okay, dear friend, next question number 8. The price of a TV is 13,000. The sales tax charged on it at the rate of 12%. This is the sales tax. Okay, find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. How much Vinod he want to pay to the shop after adding 12% of sales tax. We have to find out here. There is a solution here. Marked price on TV, that is 30,000 rupees. Okay, that is the 30,000 rupees. Next, the sales tax that is sales tax, that is the 12% is charged. Okay, now I am using here the formula selling price market price into 1 plus sales tax by 100. By using this formula, we have to find out here how much amount we know has to be paid to the shop. Okay, now selling price is equal market price, that is the 13,000. 1 plus, okay, 1 plus sales tax, that is the 12 out of 100. Now selling price is equal 13,000. 100 into 100 plus 12, 112 by 100. Now you cancel here, 20 get cancelled. SP is equal 130. SP is equal 130 into 112. You multiply this one. 130 into 112. You multiply. When you multiply, you will get here 14,560 rupees. Okay, you will get here 14,560 rupees. You multiply. In rough case, you multiply 130 into 112. I got here 14,560 rupees. Here we know has to be paid in the shop. Okay, the required amount that Vinod has to pay 14,560 rupees. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, question next I am taking here question number 9 in exercise 8.2. Okay, let's next question. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount is given as 20%. 20% discount is given. If the amount he pays is 1,600, find the market price. We have to find out here what is the MP. MP means market price. We have to find out here. Here the shop given here 20% discount. We have to find out here MP. What is the market price? Okay, let us see solution here. Let the MP market price of the skates be 100 rupees. Okay, here I am taking here 100. Let the MP of the skates be 100 rupees. Discount 20% given, or 20% of 100. Okay, so I am taking here 100. Next, we have to do here subtraction from 100 to 20. When you do the subtraction, you will get here 80. The sale price, that is the 80 rupees. Sale price 80. Okay, if selling price is 80 rupees, then MP is 100 rupees. Okay, market price is 100 rupees. If selling price is 80 rupees, means market price 100 rupees, because we have here 20% discount. When you do the subtraction from 120, you will get here 80. That is the sale price we mean. Here market price is 100 rupees. Then if selling price is 1 rupees, mean if selling price is 1 rupees, mean we can write like this: 100 by 80. Okay, 100 by 80. If selling price is 1 rupees, mean we have to divide by 100 by 80. Then if selling price is 1600 mean we have to do 100 by 80 into 1600. Now you cancel here. 0 get cancelled. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 50s are 100. Okay, 4 ones are 4. 4 40s are 60. 4 40s are 160. Completely cancelled. Now you multiply here 50 into 40. You will getting here 2000 rupees. Now we can write this is the marked price. Now you can write marked price is 2000 rupees. Okay, this is the solution. Let us see another one time. Let the marked price of the skates be 100. See, I am taking here 100 because here given here 20% discount. So I am taking here as a 100. We don't know what is the marked price. We have to find here empty. Okay, discount 20% of 100. If you taking me, when you do the subtraction 100 minus 20, you will be getting here 80. Okay. Now next, if selling price is 80 rupees, the MP is 100. Then see here, if selling price is 1 rupees, mean here we have to take here 100 by 80. Now if selling price is 1600, this one given here in this question, we want to pay here, that is the 1600. We have to find out here MP. What is the MP? We have to find out here. Now if SP selling price is 1600, meaning 100 by 80 into 1600. We have to do cancel here. When you do the cancel, you will be getting here 2000. That is the MP. That is the marked price. Okay, dear student, this is the solution. Okay, dear student, in exercise 8.2, you have remaining one problem. You solve that problem at home. Okay, thank you.